This is how to unblock a page blocked by robots.txt in Google Search Console. So, first, you need to check your robots.txt and check which page is blocked. So, this page is blocked and we need to remove this. So, we will install a plugin called WP Robots Text. So, I have installed this one and we'll go to settings and we will just remove this line and just click save. Then we'll go back to our robots.txt and we will refresh this and it has been removed. And let's go back to search console and let's go to settings, go to robots.txt and click open report and click these three dots and just click request a recrawl. And we'll close this one and check whether your page has been unblocked on robots.txt. So we'll just click this one and you can see here that the page has been removed. So this is how to unblock a page blocked by robots.txt in Google Search Console.